In this video, we listed the 20 crazy kitchen gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Fresh Meat Slicer. The Fresh Meat Slicer is a practical kitchen tool designed for efficiently slicing fresh raw meat during meal prep. Ideal for home cooks who want to prepare meals for the week, this manual meat slicer offers precision and convenience with its adjustable thickness settings of 2 mm or 4 mm, allowing you to customize slices based on your needs. Equipped with 17 sharp stainless steel blades, it can produce 18 uniform meat slices in one motion, making it ideal for slicing, striping, or dicing meat such as pork, beef, or chicken. Even tougher cuts handled by meat cleavers can be processed with the slicer, thanks to its sturdy and durable construction. The gray-colored slicer is not only functional but also complements modern kitchen aesthetics. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to save time, reduce effort, and achieve professional slicing results at home. Product 2. Product name: Braun MultiQuick Hand Blender. The Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender, MQ7035X, is a high-performance kitchen tool designed for versatility, efficiency, and convenience, making it ideal for modern home cooks who need a compact yet powerful blending solution. Equipped with patented active blade technology, it features a flexible shaft that moves up and down, allowing for faster, finer blending of even the toughest ingredients. The Power Bell Plus system enhances cutting area for quicker results, while the Smart Speed Control enables users to intuitively adjust the blending speed with just a squeeze, no fixed speed settings needed. This set includes a 2-cup chopper for tasks like dicing onions or nuts, a whisk attachment for whipping cream or eggs, and a 20 ounces beaker for blending smoothies or sauces directly. The stainless steel design ensures durability, while the Easy Click Plus system allows quick switching between attachments. Its ergonomic grip and splash control technology make it not only comfortable to use but also clean and efficient. Product 3. Product name: Submachine Upgrade Safe Mandoline Slicer. The Submachine Upgrade Safe Mandoline Slicer is a versatile and safety-enhanced kitchen tool designed to simplify vegetable slicing and chopping tasks. Building on the themes of efficiency and user-friendly design noted in the previous paragraph, this slicer stands out with its bigger size, which allows for handling larger vegetables and fruits more conveniently. Its adjustable blade system lets users achieve different slice thicknesses without needing to change blades manually, enhancing both ease of use and precision. Marketed as a kitchen chopping artifact, the Submachine Mandoline Slicer focuses on safety by incorporating features that reduce direct hand contact with sharp edges, ideal for those who prioritize injury prevention during food prep. It's especially useful for slicing potatoes for fries, chopping onions, or preparing salads quickly and uniformly. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design make it suitable for regular use, helping home cooks and busy households save time while achieving professional-looking results. Product 4. Product name: Deep Fryer Pot. The Deep Fryer Pot, 9.4, is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool designed for home chefs who enjoy preparing crispy, golden fried foods with precision. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, this Japanese-style frying pot ensures durability, corrosion resistance, and even heat distribution, making it ideal for high-temperature cooking. Its integrated temperature control thermometer helps monitor oil temperature in real time, reducing the risk of undercooking or burning food. The removable oil drain rack allows you to easily rest and drain excess oil from fried items, keeping them crisp and less greasy. A secure lid helps minimize splatter during frying, while also allowing safe oil storage post-cooking. Compatible with gas stoves, electric stovetops, and induction cookers, this deep fryer pot is perfect for frying tempura, French fries, chicken, shrimp, and other favorites. Product 5. Product name: Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin. The Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin is a practical and stylish solution for managing food waste in the kitchen, making it an essential addition to any eco-conscious home. Designed for countertop use, this 1.3-gallon silver compost bucket offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and leaks while blending seamlessly into modern kitchen decor. The bin features a secure lid and comes with a charcoal filter, plus one spare, which helps trap odors, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh even as food scraps accumulate. Ideal for daily use, it simplifies composting by keeping organic waste conveniently within reach while supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. This compost bin is a valuable home essential for households aiming to reduce their environmental footprint without compromising on cleanliness or convenience. Product 6. Product name: Clear Glass Simmer Pot. The 2L Clear Glass Simmer Pot is a versatile and elegantly designed kitchen tool crafted from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, ideal for a range of cooking and household applications. With its transparent body, it allows users to monitor cooking progress at a glance, perfect for preparing pasta, soups, baby food, and milk with precision and care. The pot comes equipped with a fitted glass lid and integrated strainer, making it convenient to drain liquid directly without the need for extra tools. Not just limited to culinary use, this glass simmer pot also functions as an electric simmer tool for home fragrance, allowing users to gently heat potpourri or essential oils to infuse their space with a soothing aroma. The anti-scald handles ensure safe handling even when the contents are hot, while the 2-liter capacity strikes a balance between everyday usability and generous volume. Stylish, functional, and multi-purpose, this simmer pot is an excellent addition to any modern kitchen or home aromatherapy setup. Product 7. Product name: Snowclad Stainless Steel Cutting Board. The Snowclad Stainless Steel Cutting Board is a durable and hygienic solution for modern kitchens, combining strength, safety, and versatility. Measuring 16 x 11 inches, this double-sided board features one surface made of high-quality stainless steel, ideal for slicing raw meat, fish, and other moisture-rich ingredients without retaining odors or stains. The reverse side is made of wheat straw PP, polypropylene, an eco-friendly, food-safe material perfect for chopping vegetables, fruits, and baked goods. Its non-toxic, BPA-free design ensures safe food preparation, while the dishwasher-safe construction makes cleaning effortless. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking a gourmet dish, this cutting board offers a blend of functionality and sustainability, making it a smart choice for any kitchen setup. Product 8. Product name: Electric Knife for Carving Meat. An electric knife for carving meat is an essential kitchen appliance designed to make slicing through meats, poultry, bread, and other foods faster and more precise. Equipped with interlocking serrated blades, this tool effortlessly glides through tough or delicate textures, delivering uniform cuts without strain. The included serving fork ensures secure handling of meat while carving, enhancing control and presentation. Ideal for carving roasts, turkey, ham, and even slicing through crusty bread or soft cake layers, this electric knife combines convenience with performance. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use, and the detachable blades allow for easy cleaning and storage. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or serving up daily meals, this versatile carving tool simplifies food preparation while ensuring professional-looking results. Product 9. Product name: Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater. The Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation tasks, especially grating and slicing. It features 3 interchangeable stainless steel drum blades that allow users to efficiently grate cheese, slice vegetables, and shred nuts or fruits. Unlike traditional handheld graters, the rotary design enhances safety by keeping fingers away from the blades, making it ideal for fast and injury-free operation. This kitchen mandoline slicer is made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic and is both easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring effortless cleaning. Most parts are dishwasher safe. Its strong suction base provides stability during use, allowing for smooth, one-handed operation, which makes it especially helpful when preparing large quantities of food. Product 10. Product name: Electric Milk Frother. The Electric Milk Frother, 4-in-1 milk steamer, 11.8/350 ml, is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to enhance your coffee and beverage experience. Perfectly aligned with modern household kitchen appliances, this multifunctional frother offers 4 settings: hot dense foam, hot airy foam, cold foam, and milk warming. Its generous 350 ml capacity makes it ideal for preparing delicious beverages such as lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, and even hot chocolate right from the comfort of home. Engineered for convenience, the automatic operation ensures quick and consistent results at the push of a button. The stainless steel interior and non-stick coating make cleaning effortless, while the sleek, compact design fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a home barista, this electric milk frother is a must-have tool for crafting cafe-quality drinks with rich, velvety foam. Product 11. Product name: YHY Pasta Bowls Set. The YHY Pasta Bowls Set, consisting of 6 wide and shallow porcelain bowls, is perfect for a variety of meal types such as pasta, salads, and soups. Each bowl has a capacity of 30 ounces, offering ample space for serving large portions. Made from durable, high-quality porcelain, these bowls are both microwave and dishwasher safe, making them a convenient choice for everyday use. Their elegant white design and practical size make them ideal for family meals, dinner parties, or casual dining. As a thoughtful Valentine's Day gift, this set provides both functionality and aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of style to any kitchen or dining room. These bowls combine practicality with elegance, making them a great addition to your dinnerware collection. Product 12. Product name: Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. The Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven is a compact and energy-efficient countertop appliance designed to bake pizzas and a variety of other foods quickly and evenly. Its unique rotating tray and dual heating elements make it a standout choice for those seeking convenience and versatility in their cooking appliances. Key features: rotating tray. The continuous rotation ensures even baking by turning the food under the heat source, eliminating the need to manually flip items. Dual heating elements. Separately controlled top and bottom heating elements allow for customizable cooking. Users can select top, bottom, or both elements to achieve desired results, whether it's a crispy crust or perfectly melted toppings. Energy efficiency. Operating at 1235 watts, the Pizzazz Plus uses up to 60% less energy compared to conventional ovens, making it an economical choice for everyday cooking. Versatility. While it's ideal for baking 7 to 12-inch pizzas, the oven is also suitable for cooking frozen snacks like chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, cinnamon rolls, cookies, and more. Product 13. Product name: Will Registered Touchscreen Toaster. The Will Registered Touchscreen Toaster 2 Slice is a modern, feature-packed kitchen appliance designed to offer a high-tech and customizable toasting experience. It combines a sleek stainless steel design with advanced digital features, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen for those who appreciate both style and functionality. This toaster offers 6 different bread types and 6 shade settings, allowing users to toast various types of bread to their desired crispiness. Whether you're toasting white bread, whole grain, or bagels, the toaster's wide slots provide the flexibility to accommodate different bread sizes, including thicker slices and bagels. The smart extra wide slots ensure that even thickly sliced bread or frozen items can be evenly toasted. Additionally, the toaster is equipped with a digital timer, allowing users to track the toasting process and adjust it precisely to their preference. Product 14. Product name: Xen Juicer Machine. The Xen Juicer Machine is a 500W centrifugal juicer designed for efficiency, ease of use, and safety. With its 3-inch wide feed chute, it allows whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without the need for pre-cutting, saving you valuable time during preparation. The dual speed control offers versatility, accommodating both soft fruits like oranges and strawberries, and harder vegetables such as carrots and apples. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the BPA-free materials prioritize health and safety. The juicer is also designed for easy cleaning, with dishwasher-safe parts and a safety locking arm that prevents operation unless securely locked. This makes it a suitable choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly juicing experience. In the context of the previous discussion on the Kitchen brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, the Kitchen juicer machine exemplifies these values. With a 2-year warranty and a focus on both functionality and design, Kitchen aims to provide products that support a healthy lifestyle. The Kitchen juicer machine aligns with this mission by offering a product that combines performance, safety, and ease of use, catering to consumers looking for a practical solution to incorporate fresh juices into their daily routine. Product 15. Product name: Double Induction Cooktop. The Double Induction Cooktop is a highly efficient and versatile portable cooking appliance designed to provide quick and precise heating for any kitchen setting. With 1800 W power, this 2-burner induction cooker offers a robust cooking performance that can handle various cooking tasks, from simmering to high-heat frying. Each burner features independent touch control, allowing you to adjust the temperature and power settings independently for each zone. This ceramic electric stove provides 9 temperature and power levels, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune the cooking process according to your needs. It also includes a 3-hour timer, so you can set it and focus on other tasks without worrying about overcooking. For safety, the cooktop has a safety lock feature, which prevents accidental activation or changes in settings, making it ideal for households with children. Product 16. Product name: Utopia Kitchen Saute Frying Pan. The Utopia Kitchen Saute Frying Pan 3-piece set is a versatile and durable cooking solution, ideal for those who enjoy cooking with cast iron. This set includes 3 skillets 6, 8, and 10 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. Whether you're searing meats, frying eggs, or making sauces, these pre-seasoned cast iron pans offer excellent heat retention and even distribution, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection. The skillets are ready to use straight out of the box and are designed to be used on various cooking surfaces, including the oven, stove, grill, or even over a campfire, providing unmatched versatility for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The cast iron construction promotes even heat distribution, which is perfect for everything from sautéing vegetables to deep frying. With their classic black finish, these pans not only offer practicality but also add an aesthetic touch to your kitchen. Product 17. Product name: Step Right Kitchen Mats. The Step Right kitchen mats are designed to provide comfort and support for those who spend long hours standing in the kitchen, office, or other areas where standing is required. This set includes 2 cushioned anti-fatigue mats, measuring 17.3 x 30 and 17.3 x 47, which are ideal for reducing discomfort in the legs and feet. These mats feature a non-slip backing, ensuring safety by preventing slipping, even on smooth floors. The mats are waterproof, making them easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical addition to any kitchen or office setup. With their sleek black design, these mats seamlessly blend into most interior spaces, offering both functionality and style. Whether you're cooking, working at a standing desk, or engaging in other tasks, the Step Right kitchen mats provide the support needed for long-lasting comfort.